Today we get to share an action story with you. This story beautifully illustrates the power of infinite banking in times of emergency. Darrell and Joyce are clients of ours. They live in the Adirondack Mountains of New York. A few years ago, they broke ground for a new home. When the metal roof was installed, it wasn't done properly. The overlaps were positioned against the windward side, making it easy for the wind to get under the metal sheets and compromise the fasteners. Before the Denver eave caps were installed, a small microburst came through the area, lifted 7 of the metal roof pieces, each over 35 feet long, and folded them over like bed sheets. Since the roof was not correctly installed in the first place, Darrell tried to get the roofing company to replace it right then. Instead, the contractor only replaced the damaged sheets, added the Denver eave caps, and assured him a 10-year roof guarantee. Last year in July, a tornado visited the Adirondack Mountains. Twisting its way along, it spent 3 minutes on Darrell and Joyce's property before traveling on. Hundreds of trees, power poles, and homes were destroyed that day. But for Darrell and Joyce, their roof was the only thing that was compromised. Now, you'll remember the roof was not correctly installed. The storm took it all. The roof over both the house and garage completely destroyed. The house insurance company came out to assess the damage, and they provided Darrell and Joyce with a ready plan for repair. Unfortunately, Darrell and Joyce's home was not the only one damaged. Multiple houses in the area had roof damage, and roofing companies had their hands full. With a sudden surplus of work, contractors were prioritizing the jobs that offered ready cash rather than the ones waiting on insurance settlements. But this is where the story takes a beautiful turn. Darrell and Joyce have been practicing infinite banking for several years. They had money available in the cash value of their life insurance policies, and they knew it was available to access in a matter of days, not weeks or months. The total cost of a new roof was $28,000. But the down payment needed to secure the contractor was $9,000. Darrell accessed the $9,000 down payment from the cash value of their policy, secured the contractor, and got the new roof installed. Now, Darrell and Joyce have a new standing seam metal roof that is correctly installed. Eventually, the insurance settlement came through. It paid for the entire cost of the new roof and repaid the $9,000 loan Darrell had taken from their policy's cash value to secure the contractor. In telling us this story, Darrell says, though our community has suffered much damage, those 3 minutes of destruction and the prescription for wealth strategy made a bad story turn out very good. Infinite banking is a powerful strategy for those who implement it. Amid the stories of buying expensive cars, flipping houses, or making large investments, it can be easy to overlook the seemingly smaller items, like damaged roofs, funding private education, and paying off debt. But often it's these things that have the greater story to tell. Real people living in the real world, doing real things with infinite banking. If you have an infinite banking story to share, we want to hear from you. Share your story in the comments or email us, team@mcpheeinsurance.com. If you have a question about infinite banking or would like to see what infinite banking could do for you, we invite you to schedule an appointment with our office. Call 317-912-1000 or text or email us, team@mcpheeinsurance.com.